So our search filter is working. Actually, in the last video, I forgot to explain how search filter is working. Okay, can I say okay? Bangladesh, it's working. So how this search? So this is the name. We are only implementing the search by name. So this is the name which is coming from this one. So here we have capital and capital. So JavaScript is case sensitive. So if you don't make it to lowercase, then it won't work. So what we're doing here, countries dot filter. So this is the structure from all the countries. We have all the countries. So from here we are filtering one single country, and from this country we are taking only one name, and we are converting this to lowercase, and then we are also asking this part here, two parts. This is one part, this part is matched with this part. If both are matched, then it will be show. For example, if I want to, for example, I am Bangladesh, PN Bangladesh, search filter, okay, Bana, I used Bangladesh. So if the last letter is capital but it's converted is to H, lower letter H. If I use the small letter, then it will also show. Same thing if I remove this dot to lowercase, it will work. No, it's not working. See, if I use capital H, it's not working. So it's very important to lowercase this character, because you don't know how user will search keywords. Okay, then what we have to do, our search filter is working, and we also want to have search by region. For example, all the REST APIs, in each REST APIs we have region, which is Americas. This is the country name, which is located in Americas. Here Bhutan, which is located in Asia, in Italy, which is located in Europe. So I just want to filter these things by region. So how we will do this? For this, first we will need a region. Every time we need a state, region, set region. State. So initially it will be string, empty string. So everything's working. So what you want to do, we just want to create the front end first, then it will be visual div. So here we just want to show our all the regions. Select, inside things we need to select option, sorry, it will be option, and we'll need to select option. So now you can see select option. Inside this we don't have anything. So here what we want to do, we want to show all the regions. In countries, we already have all the regions in the countries, this API. So how I will show this, countries dot map, one single country. From this country, what I want to show, I want to share option. Which option? This is the country dot region. Country dot region. Is it region or regions? I think it region. So from country we are only taking the region. So it will ask for key. That's why I'm creating this key. So IDX. if I want to check it here, can I get all the regions? Yes, I'm getting all the regions here. See, so they have duplicate values. For example, Americas, I have a lot of Americas here, so I don't need duplicate value. Why it's showing the duplicate value? Because each country they have region, so every countries they have region, that's why it's showing all the regions here. So we'll need to we only need to take that unique regions. So what can we do? Okay, let's take the unique regions. We'll need to create a variable unique regions. Okay, so what we'll need to do, let me complete this, let me try is it working or not. New, so we'll need to all the new here, and we'll need to set it here where, so countries dot map country, from this country we need country dot region. So here we are setting all the countries here, and what new dot set this to? So new set, is it a new class or class type function? So what it's do, it's taking all the unique countries. Set is by, this is a JavaScript by default function who only take the unique values, and we are taking all the unique values and keeping it here, which is a new spread array. So if I want to check it, unique regions is working or not. Instead of countries, I am checking unique regions, so I don't need, I think, countries. So let me check. Yes, I got all the unique regions here. So what it actually doing here, for example, if I want to check the console.log unique region, okay, what I'm getting, see, I only have 6 values, which is unique regions. This one, it's filtering all the unique regions for this API. I have all the countries here, and it's only taking the unique regions. What is do? New set. Set is a function, JavaScript built-in function. It's not React, it's JavaScript. It's only taking all the unique regions from here. Okay, so from all the unique regions, it's also keeping this as an array. We can see this as an array. So this is called region or country. So we have all the array here. This is 0 1 2 3. This is array indexing. So here we are only looping these things. Map only country. Okay, I am looping all the country and showing it here. So now I have this Americas here. So what my goal now, for now my goal is to, if I select this Americas, then it will be stored here in the region. So what we'll need to do, we'll need to on change, it will be happening on change. So we need to set the value in set regions. So this is an event, we are taking this event and call the set region. Okay, so e dot target dot value, e dot target dot value. For example, if I want to print the region now, okay, if I want to print the region now, let's see. So I have this one. If I want to select this Americas, see, then I can, sorry, Asia, I can see the Asia here. I'm just closing these unique values so that it will more clear. So for example, I don't have anything right now. If I want to select Europe, then it's showing the Europe. Then in Europe, I have, in region, I have this Europe, but it's in, again, it's in capital. We have to make it dot to lowercase. So now let's work with the filter. We are done with search filter, and now what we need to do, constant, this is region filter, again countries dot filter again country, we can take it an item. Every time we don't need to write it country. So what we are doing, item, this item, is it matched with this region? Okay, then item dot region dot to lowercase equal from which one, region dot to lower case. Okay, so when it will be happen, if there is an region, then it will be happen. Okay, region is available, then it will be do this one, otherwise it will be true. Okay, region filter. So if region is available, then okay, let's check is it working or not. After that I will explain also a little bit. Yes, it's working. So now I can see all the European countries. If I select Asia, then I can see the Asian countries. If I want to check the Americas, then I can see all the American countries. These are the American countries. So this is how filter also works. So what we are doing here, region filter, so countries dot filter, same countries dot filter, we are taking item, we can also take it as a country, no problem. So region, if region is available, if we have data in region, then it will be show this one, it will be filtered this one, otherwise it will true, or yes, it will be true. If we don't use true or something else, then it will be an error, I think. Yes, we cannot see any data, it won't be error, we cannot see any data, that's why it should be true. So this is how we can filter and search everything. So now we have another problem. If we want to implement this two at a time, so how we will do? For example, now search filter is not working, but unique region is working because we are mapping data from one. If we want to work both, then I can do different things. I mean, we can do different things. What we will do, from this code we will copy, and after this I think we will add it here. Yes, I think it will work. So I'm just naming this filtered, filtered, and I'm just copying it here. Is it work or not? Yes, it's working. For example, Bangladesh is working. Good. Then if I use Asia, and Asia is working, so now both codes works perfectly. So what actually I did here, let me explain. Constant filter explain whatever it is. So countries dot filter, one filter, and again after this we can add another filter. If we have hundreds of filter, then we can do it by there, by like this. So if I want to make it little clearer, so see, now it will be shown because I didn't complete the code, that's why it's showing the error. So this is what I'm doing here. So filter, inside this filter I'm doing this, and inside this filter I'm also doing this. This is how filter is working. So after that I will also try to show something else. For example, I can also do many things here. So for example, I want to show only 8 or only 9 product here. I don't want to show a lot of products. Then there will be a load more button. Whenever some people will click on, user will click on load more button, it will be show. So let's try to fix these things. Okay, constant, we'll need to make a variable which is called max value, max visible item, or max value. Okay, items max items set max items. Use state. Initially, how many we want to show? We just want to show 9 items. Okay, so now we have filtered. So now we have filtered. So if I want to constant, okay, let me check is it working or not. So this is called visible items. Let's name it visible items equals to, so I'm taking one, I'm copying all the data. Okay, then after this, what I want to do, from this filter I just want to slice. No, I see slice. Okay, filter dot slice. No, what's the so if I want to copy everything, then what I have to do first? Filtered. Okay, I got the filtered. Then what I have to do? Slice. Yes. Okay, from filter I have to do slice. At the beginning it will start from 0 and it will be ends with max items. Let me check is it working or not. Unique regions map. No, this one filter. Yes, it's working. So now I can see only 9 values here. So I don't have load more button. So let's check how I can solve this issue. So I need to have a load more button. This is the array. After this I want to have a load more button. It will be a button. The button text is load more. Okay, so this is a class name. I just want to make it more beautiful, so load more. It doesn't look like a button, that's why I just want to make it beautiful. So this is what is this called? This is tailwind. So py 1 px3. How it looks? Yes, it's good. It's okay, not good. So if I want to make it rounded with other same like other one, then it's look. So okay, I just want to move it to the middle. So what can I do? I think I can use flags. It will be justify center. Is it working? Yes, it's working. If I want to have more space on the top, then margin top, how much? 6 is available. 6. Okay, I think I want to have more. 12. Okay, I have more space at the top. So what's my goal? My goal is if someone click on this load more button, then I will have more items. Every time someone click on load more button, I will have 9 items or more 9 items. Okay, let me solve this issue. So this one, it will be okay on click. So when someone will click on click, it will be load more items. So what I can do, we will need to set the value. Now I have that maximum items, I have 9. Let me show you. Console.log maximum items. So how much maximum item right now I have? Where's my console? I have 9. Okay, I don't need this one. I have 9 maximum items. Okay, so how I can, if someone will click on this button, then I want to show 9 more. Let me try to solve it. So it will be a on click. What will be happen? It will be increase the set value. It has 9 and it will be included to, it will also include or plus 9, so that it will be 18. Okay, set max items. So I will need to take the previous value. With this previous value I will need to add 9. Is it okay? What I'm doing here, on click set max item previous items, and with these previous items I will need to add 9. Okay, let me check is it working or not. It's refresh. I have 9 values. If I click on 9, yes, it's working. So first this 9 I had, after this I had this 9 value. So this is how it's working. If I click on again, for example, if you want to check the max item, it's increasing. First it was 9, then it was 18, now it's 27. So every time it will be click, it will increase the value. 9, it will increase it to 9. So this is how it's working. We can also do a lot of things after. If there is no value, we can also hide this button. If I want to do it easily, can I do it? Button, I just don't want to hide this button. Okay, let's check how it can do this. Okay, so if there is boolean condition, max items smaller than filtered length, if it's smaller than filter length, then it will be show, otherwise it won't be show. Okay, let me check what I'm doing here. Max items. Okay, max items filtered. In filtered I have everything. If it's the length is this, it will show the result. Okay, let me check. The button is showing, the button is showing, the button is showing. So let me increase the value so that I can see. First I am just want to show 120. Here I am showing 120 product. Okay, then every time I want to increase increase 100. Okay, I am checking 80. So first it will be show 120 or 100, then it will be 80. We still have the load more button. If we click on again, then after that do we have, no, we don't have any value, then it's not showing. So this is how it solves.